Good morning. Welcome to another instalment of Magnet Mad, Mum and Dad. And Craig, can you just tell me, am I in the right place on the camera? Or does it need to go? I feel it needs to go up.
No, it's fine.
Is that spot on?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel tall. Today I feel taller than normal. But yeah, we've just tried a spot, but CRT are all over it, so that was a no-go. So we spent the next 40 minutes coming back to here, and we're back at the pontoon in Gainsborough, and the water level is up at the moment, and as you can see, it's flowing very fast. So it will be chucking our magnets in further that way so that they kind of hit somewhere near us, but it's currently 20 degrees centigrade here, and it says it's going to get warmer. So if we're all topless, not you, Linz, put your t-shirt back, Linz.
Equality, Roger.
Yeah, if us men end up with no t-shirts.
Craig with his sunken chest. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, my mum always said I was her treasure. I said, why? Do you remember what she said? It's because I've got a sunken chest.
I'd say very different things.
Your dad was a weightlifter. Must have been to raise a dumbbell like you.
Do a taste test.
Oh, what's this now?
It's what Karen sent for me.
Sparkling water, cucumber, mint and lime. Ooh. Smell test.
Wait till you taste it.
Oh my word.
Taste that.
I want it back out.
I'm getting a hit of no.
How about no?
Well, they want
We're back here again.
sales.
Scrap, scrap. Bits. Bolts.
What did he say?
I went up to him and he said, nope, not allowed.
Another scrap.
Alright, okay, no problem.
And
We'll go somewhere else.
a button.
Not allowed.
I've just been the camera person for Sean doing his intro.
What with all the posh people?
We're here to do your job.
Did you see that clip?
I saw it. Yeah.
Sean posted it.
I know.
It's not that big, isn't it?
There we go now. I got 2 bars out.
Sorry. Tube. Little piece of metal strap. Is there anything Viking today, Craig?
What?
Is there anything Viking today?
I don't know. I haven't found it yet.
Oh, I'm not going to tap that.
Probably an old fence pin. Oh, that's nice. Strap of metal. Lindsay's found that. A wooden handled penknife. Probably not savable, but we'll check it out later. I'll pop that underneath the tripod, love.
Okay. And a mix of everything again. Oh, that's chain. Bolt. Bigger bolt. D-lock.
That's a curly thing. Was it a handle or who knows? Buckets are filling up quick, aren't they? They always do here, don't they? Another curly thing there. Look. Bottle caps.
Oh, and that rock then? You?
Look on something. Yeah, on. Think on something, Heather. Nifty move.
Pew pew.
I'll smile when I've got on my wheel.
Looks like tea time to me.
Is it?
Wood on that big rod.
I see a gate hinge, a door hinge or something. I said hinge.
Bracket.
My life. That is an actual old pedal, if you can see. The long one. You ever seen a pedal that long? Yeah, it's an old pedal. Got some kind of bracket. It's got a piece going up there, 2 holes, and then it curls. A bit of waste metal. Strip of metal. Dredging tie, half of. Another one of them curly things. Look. If anyone knows what they are, please let me know in the comments. Another strap of metal. And let's get this up.
Yeah, drop me out.
Do what? What's that? Let's give it a tap on.
Square nails and bolts.
Yeah, that's what you found.
Found one of them. It's a miniature that.
Yeah, you wear it then.
I'm not wearing it. You can't wear it because you can't get your big head in it.
Hey, do you mind? Got feelings, you know. I heard. Oh, what is it? That's the bolt, that's a spacer. Washer. Got nut and bolt. Got a bar.
Wait a sec.
And I think you can basically see.
Another D-clamp.
Yeah, all right, Sean.
Aye. He's on here. He's a bloody
Go on then. I'm not moving anymore for you.
Hey,
Right, and just some scrappy bits.
Have we got any cold drinks?
Hold on, Roger.
See?
Say hold on.
Yeah. Everybody
Hold
says
my
it.
rope a minute.
hey, wrong time.
You are?
Wrong time.
I'm not wrong with you, but you got it.
Oh, the dad's got one as well, are you?
Yeah?
Good one for the floor. some rebar.
Arriba.
Underlay, underlay.
Underlay?
Underlay?
That goes under your carpets.
Ugh. Got a big bolt. That's what I meant, Graham. That's what you meant. Oh, is that what that is? You know what that is, don't you?
Oh, it's here.
Off the road. Eh? Off something like that. That's mine.
Is that right?
Mine. D-lock.
D-lock.
D-shackle.
There we go.
D-shackle sometimes known as.
Shackleton.
Shackleton.
And
Nuts and bolts.
that, only down here. And Roger, is that off a shoe?
Yeah, it's off the wheel, yeah.
I know we are.
Yeah, the grower man.
Oh.
Some may say hobnail boots off a hobnail boot, but they're not. They are seen on hobnail boots, but there wasn't just for hobnail boots.
Here, wind yourself up.
Why do you sell a foot? That's Alfred.
Alfred.
A bit of scam. Is it? Yes, right, she's down on the floor.
Oh, there where you are. A square nail and a normal nail. Hang on. Nice one.
You've never found a padlock before?
Oh, sorry, Rod.
Roger, what do you call the horseshoe things?
Oh, they can be on hobnail boots. They can be on any shoe, but they're for your heel.
There we go.
To stop your heel from wearing.
Hobnail.
No, it's not just hobnail.
Well, we're going with hobnail, alright?
Yeah,
Hobnail.
it's a metal for the heel on a hobnail boot.
Have you broken it, Jess?
Oh, well, the thing is, it's still around the
So keep the body.
Keep the
I could do with a new body. Yeah, that's what I want to see. That. So put it on
I broke.
there. You shouldn't take it off, man.
You should tap it off, you should have let it dry.
The first ever padlock and I broke it.
There.
What a dickhead.
Yeah, beautiful people. Beautiful people.
What an idiot.
try and kick some stuff off of it and it snapped it out.
There we are now.
And the magnet's up again. Got a little piece of rebar. Little piece of strapping. That's bent. And possibly a key, possibly. And yep, nuts and bolts and nails.
There's a lift here, would you?
I will. Where do you want to lift to? I'm not an Uber. Who put that there? Jessica's just found this, but if you look carefully, I'll see if I can see on the camera. There is some nice chain in there, look. Yeah, like that. And it goes over, and it's all accumulated in the top there, look. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, guys. It's all accumulated in the top there. So we'll take that home and here we are again. Some chain this time.
In chain and Graham.
Yeah.
Are you stuck at Graham?
Nail. Nail. Nice square nail there. And just general scrap guys. Right, hang on. Should we call him for dinner? Oh. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Graham, dinner time. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling.
The what?
Didn't sound very good.
He got me off.
The young lady got me.
You know one thing that I haven't found yet? The penknife like everybody else. I'll just take one. Ooh, you sneaky bugger.
Upside down.
Dad.
I found a padlock. Linz,
What's that?
Dad.
hang on. Linz, slush. Yeah. Will you marry me?
No.
Again.
That's too big for me.
Oh, alright. Look, Linz, I found a padlock.
Tell Jess you can't watch it.
Jess, I found a padlock.
Don't let Jess near it. You're too padlocks.
Yeah? Look at that. Look at that for a haul. Ugh. I mean, where'd you start? Ugh.
Oh no,
Oh no!
I dropped it.
Oh. That. Don't know. But this. Oh. That's got like some brass thread thing on it there. You see that? Sheet of metal. Curved bit of metal. That's you. That's you, love. Lindsay's found part of the hook.
Found another plane and all.
Oh. That's an old door lock. Great. Old door lock.
I've put too much more in that bag.
Are we together? Well, you go for yours
Sort of
first.
frame, innit?
Yeah. Is it like off the end of a boat or something?
I've actually got
Yeah.
something not on me. Right.
Hang on. Lindsay's just found that. If anyone's got any idea what it is.
I need a drink. Short record of it.
So this time we've got wait here.
Oh, God, forget.
We've got a ball peen hammer. Give that a tap. Yep, ball peen hammer. Hammerhead, should I say. Piece of metal. More bars. Strip of metal.
So what's it?
Another U. And loads of other stuff. There's that offcut of metal. Thick. Blimey. Is the camera still on?
Yeah, I've got a boat hook on there.
Have I?
Go on, wind Jess on
Oh, look at that, guys. Yes. Oh. Some kind of hook. Piece of metal. Small bit of scaffold pole. And oh, bit of glass in that one. Does anybody know what that is? No, it's got a hole in the top there, look. Got a hole in the top there. And it looks like some kind of fork. Craig, you any ideas what that is?
You know what I find one start with? Ball joint splitter.
Yeah, it does, yeah. It does look like a ball joint splitter, but this is got a hole in the handle. Almost like it's to be hung up. Please folks, if there's anything that I show you on the video that we don't know what it is, which is most of the stuff to be fair, and you think you know, even if it's a guess, just give us a guess, because by that we might be able to identify stuff, you never know.
I got loads of names.
Oh. Right, what have we got? What haven't we got, should I say? Got some metal engine. We've got part of maybe a cast iron thing.
I need a drink. God's sake, Sean!
Now that has got lots of little brass bits in it, so I'm going to have a look at that. Well, even underneath. That's got loads of brass bits on it. Piece of strapping. More cast.
I found a magnetic rock.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's a steel wheel or pulley wheel with a shaft on the back.
I didn't.
If you're happy and you know it,
watch it stuck.
Man down! What? Oh, listen to me, I'm going to get them later then. Hey? That's not mine. She's down.
Is your camera off?
Yeah.
Please tell me you got that on camera.
Jess said Jesus Christ.
Oh, big fan now. Loosen. Oh.
Oh, jeez. Oh. I'm just nearly killed me. There's no way you can get away with killing minors. Youngsters even, not minors.
That makes it very awkward for Steve if you are.
Yeah. Yeah, Steve's just started sweating.
He pulled the magnet while I was stood on the rope and I nearly went flying straight into water. Look at that. Got a bit of a tree, that one.
What's the...
Very nice.
Well, I'm expecting to find that.
Lindsay found a bit of pottery with hers. See if we can.
Anyway.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It would have probably been up that way. It's a bit of a
Spoon.
bottom mould in there. There you go, guys.
And then we've got four. Also, and the other handle. We got the set.
Look, I want it to be away. Wait.
Lindsay's found a weight with legs on, and it's got 2 holes on the top. Is that you need, be sure?
Aye. Aye.
Aye.
Aye. Emo t-shirt. My heart's pounding because I shot. Me and Sean have fallen out. It nearly killed me. You could join my book.
So I asked, "Oh, we're moving."
Yeah, we're on a floating deck.
Detty. So I asked Sean for help after he nearly killed me, and they've got that out for me because my hands are hurting, and it's a boat side. Aren't I clever?
Mom and Dad stick together like glue in this crazy world. They always stay true. Magnetic attraction, stronger than ever. They're the ultimate.